Carrots are known for their health benefits, but did you know you can take your carrot juice to the next level by adding a few key ingredients? Incorporating orange, ginger, fresh turmeric, and lemon into your carrot juice recipe can give your body an even bigger boost of nutrients and health benefits. The vitamin C in orange helps to strengthen your immune system and protect against infections, while the anti-inflammatory properties of ginger and turmeric can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Adding lemon to your carrot juice can also help to increase the absorption of the nutrients in the other ingredients and give it a freshly tangy flavor. To make this supercharged carrot juice, simply blend fresh carrots with slice of orange, chunk of ginger, a few pieces of fresh turmeric, and a squeeze of lemon juice strained out of the bowl. Pour into a glass and enjoy. With this delicious and nutritious carrot juice recipe, you will be giving your body a powerful dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So why not give it a try and see how good it can make you feel? Thank you for watching, and remember to check my other videos. They are very lovely and interesting. See you next time. Also remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs on your notification button. Thank you.